everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Zyra. I do upload every single week, but I have been a little off on this video and I just want to apologize for the inconvenience. This video was supposed to be up 2 weeks ago, and since the hurricane happened around where I live, it took power and I couldn't get a hold of my YouTube account. Finally back. Today's video, as y'all can see by the title, is something that I'm pretty sure y'all been waiting for. Today I'm going to be doing a part 2 on how I make my lip scrubs. I'm going to be making a lemon scrub and a cherry scrub. So if you are interested in watching that, don't forget to stay tuned and like, comment, and subscribe on this video for more. Also, I did want to say the reason why I'm doing this video is because my other DIY lip scrub video that I will put right up here, that video has reached so many people, and I'm so excited that that video was actually in your guys' interest. I'm really excited to do another one for you guys, and this time different lip scrubs and different flavors. So if you're interested in seeing that, stay tuned and let's get straight onto this video.
A hot girl, I do hot shit. Spending income on my outfit. I don't text quick, cause I ain't thirsty. These bitches mad, they wanna hurt me.